my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a breakfast ideas video. I'm going to share with you 5 breakfast ideas, 5 things that you can implement into your diet. I have lately been eating more healthy. I'm trying to give my body more nutrients and all the vitamins that it needs. The goal is actually to slim down a little bit, but I just think that giving my body everything that it needs is way more important than like thinking about the number on the scale. So yeah, I've been trying to do the best that I can, and also Benny and I are now part-time vegetarians. We're trying to eat vegetarian 3 times a week, just to eat less meat and eat more healthy, and also to help us explore like the food spectrum, to eat like more greens and healthy stuff. So yes, that is that. If you want to see more videos like this, like maybe for a lunch ideas type of video or dinner ideas, then let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up because it's currently super hot and I'm sitting here filming this. It's like 31 degrees in my apartment. It's hot. So yeah, just give me a thumbs up for that, and also it helps a lot of people to see this video, so I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up for this video. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Let's go ahead and get into this video.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to
my first breakfast idea is a smoothie bowl. I absolutely love smoothie bowls. I like to make mine with avocado as a base, but you can also make it with bananas, you can make it with peaches, with yogurt. There are so many different ways to make it. Just look it up on Pinterest. There are like a ton of ideas. If you just type in smoothie bowl, you will see like a lot of ideas and recipes for you to make it. But my favorite one is with an avocado as a base, and then I just basically just top it off with whatever I have on the house. I like to make this like a power bowl because it makes me feel really full, and things like chia seeds and also hemp seeds just help me feel fuller, and they are also superfoods for a reason, so I like to include those as well into my smoothie bowl. But you can basically top it off with whatever you have on the house or whatever you want. Breakfast idea is banana pancakes. I absolutely love banana pancakes. They are my favorite. I'm gonna say that with each like recipe, but banana pancakes are, I just love it. It's just so freaking delicious, and it makes me feel really full as well. If I eat them like around 8, I will be full till like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I think they are bomb. To eat, make them even more healthier, I would recommend to make it with oatmeal flour. For this, you can just put some oatmeal into a cup and then put it on to your blender and process it into a flour type of consistency. Because when I was making this for the video, I didn't have enough eggs. I didn't do it with oatmeal, but normally I would make it with oatmeal, and that is way healthier. And to top it off, I would recommend like trying berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, whatever type of berry you like, and also with some bananas, and sometimes also some coconut chips, and trust me, it is delicious. For a sauce, I always like to use some agave syrup or like some maple syrup, whatever I have on the house, but this time it was just agave syrup.
I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This rare finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel
recipe is a banana bread recipe. I would recommend making it the night before because it's way easier to take it with you then, you know, so, and it takes less time in the morning to do, because who wakes up that early in the morning to make a whole banana bread? I don't think anybody has time for that. So I would recommend making that at night. And to me, baking at night is very, very therapeutic. I feel like, you know, I'm just like making, I feel like such a wifey when I'm just in the kitchen like whipping up some of that banana bread. But yes, this is so delicious for breakfast, but also for as a snack. I like to make it and take some with me to work so I can eat it on the train, or sometimes when I'm at home and just sit here at my desk and just eat some of it and work and drink it with my coffee. It is super delicious. To make it even more nutritious, you can throw in nuts, you can throw in like coconut chips. It is bomb.com, literally bomb.com. And I will make sure to link the recipe in the description box down below for you to check it out. Girl, trust me, you need to try this out. You need to, okay? Try it out.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back.
Breakfast idea is overnight oats. Like, this is the most easiest thing to eat and it's so delicious. So definitely recommend this one. All you have to do is at night just pour some oatmeal into a cup. I like to do 1 cup of oatmeal and 2 cups of almond milk, soy milk, whatever milk you want, into a little jar. I like to add some cinnamon and then I put it in the fridge. You can also add the fruits at night, but I like to have the fruits in the morning. So in the morning I just take it out of the fridge, I put all my fruits on top of it, I drizzle some honey or agave syrup on top. Sometimes I put chia seeds and hemp seeds, and then your breakfast is ready. If I have too much fruits cut up, then I like to eat that on the side, so you can never have too much fruits, you know. And I would really recommend this because it's delicious, it's easy to take with you to work as well. So it's a very easy recipe to meal prep. And if you put all the fruits in it at night, then you just have to grab it out of the fridge and take it with you to go. So easy for the on-the-go working people. I would really recommend it. Is a yogurt bowl. This is just one of my faves because it's easy to make. You can make this in less than 5 minutes. And what I love about this is that it doesn't specifically have to be for breakfast, because I can also eat this as a snack. But all I like to do is just grab a bowl and just put the yogurt in it. I like to top it off with some of my favorite fruits. This time I chose some kiwi, some grapes without any seeds, and also some blueberries. And then I just add some granola and some coconut chips. Sometimes I also like to add some chia seeds and some hemp seeds. And that is it. That is all you have to do. And it's so delicious. It's easy to make. So it's perfect for when you are in a hurry, but you still want to eat something responsible and healthy. But not least, I wanted to throw in my favorite juice recipe. It is basically a carrot juice. So all you're gonna need for this is some carrots, some apples, some oranges, and also a lemon and some ginger. You basically cut up everything and then you juice it in your juice machine. And that is it. That is all you have to do, and you have a delicious juice to drink. So yeah, I definitely wanted to throw that in there. What I also love about this juice is just the spiciness, because the ginger just gives it a little kick that I absolutely love. And it's just a fast way to get all the good nutrients in there. And compared to like juice that you buy at the store, I think like you know exactly what you put in your juice, so you know what you're putting in your body, which I absolutely love. But that is it, amiga, for all the recipes that I have for you today. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. But I hope this helps you out if you are also trying to eat healthier and you are a little uninspired about breakfast. Then I hope this video can help you out. I know it helps me out to see videos like this. So yes, that is that. Give this video a thumbs up for more videos like this, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. But for now, that is it. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Love ya. Bye.